Hey, what's up? This is Khalid Siddiqui here for After Effects tutorial channel and welcome to another most exciting tutorial. So let's start. How to create a cloth animation in Adobe After Effects. So this is a photo with two single image. This is the background and this one is about the cloth animation. So I cut it by using Adobe Photoshop. So this one is without cloth and this one is just a single PNG image. And now select the background and lock. Select the layer 1 and next go to effect and go to Zexworks 3D flag. You can download this plugin by finding my Patreon link in video description. So select 3D Zexworks 3D flag and wait. And now you must fix. So first go to set flag pool to none. And next select the flag size 600 and next go to transform move set right there little bit move for hold control on keyboard to move slowly like this. Hold control, move slowly like this and finish. And now go back to click on 3D flag here. Take a look. There are two simple settings. You must set the horizon mesh count 37, 37 for cloth quality. And next, go to cloth setting. You can select loose, rubbery, and final. You can play here. You can test the cloth animation like this. And click OK. And now set again. Hold Control on keyboard. Move little bit up and move right there. And next, press W, rotate like this. So if you need to rotate, you can use from transform here too. Hold Control, rotate, Control Z, rotate. Let's see, Control Z, rotate by this one. Control Z, let's use this one. Move up, up, and rotate by using W for rotate and set here. Okay, and now you can test it, play now. Not bad. Looks pretty good. So stop, and now you can go to looping. There is another most important option. Force, select your flag animation, select windy, and control the gravity of the flag, move up, and now play again. Okay, guys, and now stop this one. Let's go to another sample. So this is a simple flag of India. So our friendly country, India. Don't forget I am from Afghanistan and I love India country, India people. So select this one, the layer and go to effect and go to Zexworks 3D flag select. So there you can find the flag and now you can set the set flag pool turn on and set the size 600. So right click, transform fit to comp, change again into 400, change again into 200, change again into 100. So set again. See, there's a little bit problem, no? Small size, let's say the quality is full. And let's press Control Z. So let me apply again this 3D flag. Press S, scale down the size and set here. Go to flag and again Zexor's 3D flag. Not bad. And now control the flag right there and set a little bit down and zoom in and set a little bit down here. Hold control to move at this side and hold control, zoom in again, set here. Let's play now. Looking nice. Okay guys, go to click on 3D flag, set up and control the quality here. I need more quality, and select lose flag animation, click OK. And now you can see the better animation. Take a look, move the flag a little bit up, and let's see, control 200, 100, hold control, zoom out, little bit zoom out. Yep, set to 100 and set to 50. Let's zoom in a little bit. Play now. Not bad. You can control the light and camera. I don't need to use the composition light camera because I don't have lighting, and I need to control this shadow parts. I don't need too much shadow and brighter. Play again. Okay guys, this is the third example. This is the example as your homework. Do it in uh, at home and share with me. Thanks for watching. Have a good time. Good luck, all of you.